In this video today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how I get this spicy ponytail plus 4 ways so you can go ahead and style this. So if you guys want to see that, ensure that you stick around and continue watching this video. So as you guys can see, I already parted the top portion of my head and I'm basically just clipping the back out of the wig, and I am going to section this in 3 sections. Right here you guys see me using my photo oil, which is the argan oil, to apply it on my rubber band, because what this does is ensure that my natural hair doesn't get that damage. And then I'm going to take each section and part that into 4. Then I'm going to take my shine and jam to define the parting and also to use it on the root. Then I am going to section each of the thirds into 4. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. When I'm done, this is what it should be looking like. Then I'm going to take the front section and attach it to the opposite back. So you guys should be getting an X. Looking like this. I did the rest of it off camera, so this is what it's looking like. Now to put my hair in a ponytail, the gel that I'm going to be using is the Extreme Styling Gel. I would actually recommend this gel because it does nothing for my hair. I literally had to do over my ponytail the next day with the Gorilla Snot. So the hair that we'll be using today is from Xinran, and this is what it is looking like. It also comes with some bobby pins. It has this little section in there where you can put your bun in. I'll make sure to leave everything linked below in the description box. So the first style that we're doing is a braided ponytail. I did this off camera, so I'm basically just installing it. So I pushed the pins, because it comes with pins on the ponytail. I pushed this down into my head, then I use the ends to wrap ponytail to make it look like, you know, seamless. Then I take my bobby pin to seal this in. Then I'm going to go ahead and accessorize this style. So this is what the finished look is looking like. The only thing I wish is that I could have got my ponytail more sleeker. The next style is basically a braided top knot, where you basically wrap it around until you get to the end. And this is what that's looking like when I'm done. Now the third style is a regular genie ponytail, so I unravel the braids and just reinstall this without the braids. And this is what it's looking like when I'm done. Now the last style is a genie bubble ponytail, where I basically take the rubber bands and make small bubbles going straight down to the end. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and pick up yourself.